Hey guys, so for today I'm going to do an unboxing of Twice's album, their latest comeback or their latest album, which is Fancy. Hey guys, I'm going to do unboxing of this. So yeah guys, I'm going to do unboxing of this with their, I think this is the pre-order photo cards, and here's the album and the poster. So let's get right into it. So yeah guys, so here's the unboxing itself. So we're going to start with the photo cards of Fancy. So this is their 7th mini album, so Fancy You. Nice logo there, so let's open this. So yeah. So here's my bias here. We have Nayan, Suyu, KingReiann, Sana, Gia, Mina. Hopefully Mina get well soon, if you know what's happening with her. We have Dayan because not there. We have KingReiann and Momo, and all of the member of Twice. So that's the photo cards. So let's unbox the album. So we have Fancy You. Get it from the top. Alright. So here we go. Fancy. Alright guys, let's put the plastic over here. So guys, we have Fancy here. So here's the back. All of the members and the mountains. I love the background. So here's Fancy. So let's do this. So it's also a slipcase. I'm very careful when I'm opening a slipcase kind of albums, because most slipcases are, easy to break. So I'm very careful when I'm doing that. So here we go, Fancy. Oh, my goodness, love it. Fancy. So I'm going to be fast so that my video won't be 10 minutes long, So we have Nayan, KingReiann, Momo. So comment down below on who's your bias on Twice, if you're a Wansu like me. So we have Sana, we have Goddess Gio, we got Minari, we got Kim Dayan, Dayani, we have Cheyan, we have Sui. So we have their photos. So yeah. Nayan, so ipada pretty watching and So I guess I think this is the photo cards. Oh, there's the disc. So there's the, let's check the photo cards later. So here's the disc. So we have KingReiann. Let's check the photo cards. So I think this is the sticker. So this is fancy. So yeah, the members. Fancy, then fancy. So got a big card here. So oh, you got Momori. So wow, my goodness, so Momo changes poses. Her pose. God, I love this one. Oh my god, I love it. So we have KingReiann. Yay, my bias. We have Nayan. Got this Gio. Mina. Then another Nayan. My god, I have my biases. So the poster is this one. So I don't know where to put this one because it's a big poster. Like there you go. It's a big poster. So I don't know where to put this because my room is so small. So that's the unboxing. So yeah guys, that's the unboxing of my album Fancy You by TWICE. So if you are a Wansu fan like me, Wansu! So comment down below on who's your bias on these beautiful maidens or goddesses. So yeah guys, so please hit the like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. So hit the notification bell to be notified. So please hit the like if you like this video and please subscribe. So yeah guys, see you guys in my next video.